Welcome to my channel. In this lecture we are going to discuss cross multiplication method of linear equation in two variables. We are going to do chapter number 3 and exercise 3.5 question number 1. Now let us see the third question. Third question, what is saying? 3x minus 5y equals to 20 and 6x minus 10y equals to 40. We have to find whether it has got a unique solution or not. If it is unique, then we have to solve. If it is many solutions or no solution, then no solution, obviously we cannot solve it, but many solution also you can solve it. But he said that for only unique solution, let us see. First, whether this first step is whether this equation in standard form or not. No, it is not, because 20 is equals right hand side is there, therefore we have to bring it to a left hand side. In second equation also 40 in right hand side of the equation, so we should bring to the left hand side of the equation. Okay, so this is our left hand side, our left hand side. We can bring the 20 to our left hand side of the equation. Then now this one will become 3x minus 5y, 20 plus 20 plus 20 will become minus 20. Okay, now 40 also will become plus 40 minus 40. Okay, so now this is our standard form of equation. So this equation we have to convert into, you have to compare with the standard equation. Okay, so that is general equation. So what is our general equation? First equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second equation is general equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now we have to, this first general equation we have to compare with the first equation. So a1 x in general equation, what is the x coefficient? A1, and here in first equation x coefficient is 3. So you will write a1 equals to 3. Then a2, what you will write? Second equation, a2 is 6. This is coefficient of x of second equation is 6. Then you can go for b1. b1 is what? b1 is, first equation b1 is what? Y coefficient is what? Minus 5, that equals to minus 5. Then b2 equals to, what is this y, second equation y coefficient of y is minus 10, this is minus 10, so write minus 10. ab. Then what is our c1? C1 is minus 20. First equation's constant is what? Minus 20. Second equation constant is what? Minus 40. That will become C2. C2 equals to minus 40. Minus 40 कहा ना? Minus 40. ओके, अब कंपेयर करेंगे, रेशियो निकालेंगे. a1 upon a2 equals to 3 upon 6. Now we can, these 3 and 6 will get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are, that equals to 1 upon 2. Then let us go for the b1 upon b2. b1 is what? Minus 5 and b2 is minus 10. So now this one also get cancelled, plus plus minus minus cancelled, then this will go by which table? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are, that equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now let us go for C1 upon C2. C1 is what? C1 is minus 20 and C2 is minus 40. So this minus minus will get cancelled. So 0 0 gone, 2 1s are 2 2s are, that equals to 1 upon 2. Now you see 1 upon 2, in second case 1 upon 2, and third case also 1 upon 2. That means what? That implies a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. That means since a1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2, that equals to C1 upon C2. Therefore, the equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay, many solutions. So, we need not take the x and y value. He said if it is unique, then only you take the x and y value in cross multiplication method. Now, let us see the fourth question. Now, let us see fourth question. Fourth question, what is saying? X minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15. So, what we have to do? We have to change into a standard format, but here what? Already it is in there, it made us easy. So, we need not do it, only we have to write and we have to compare with the first equation with the standard equation. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0. The first you compare with the first equation. So, A1 is our 1, A1 is 1 and B1 is minus 3 and C1 is minus 7. Okay. And second equation again we have to compare with A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. In second equation what is there? A1 equals to what? This 3. Okay. Sorry, A2 is second equation, that is why 2. A2 is 3 and then B2 equals to minus 3 and C2 equals to minus 15. Now, let us put the ratios A1 upon A2. So, A1 is what? A1 is 1, A2 is 3. Got it? Then comes B1 upon B2. B1 is what? B1 is minus 3 and B2 is minus 3. Okay. Then C1 upon C2. What is that? Minus 7 upon minus 15. Now, let us see what A1 upon A2 is. So, now here you see this minus cancels, 3 ones are 1 upon 1. Then here it minus gets cancelled. So, now what? A1 upon A2, that means that implies what? 1 upon 3 is not equals to 1 upon 1. That means A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. Therefore, the equation has unique solution. Okay, equation has unique solution. Now, when it is unique solution, we have to solve by cross multiplication method. Now, let us do with cross multiplication method. X minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and this is our first equation. Then second equation is what? 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. This is our second equation. Now, this is what? Already it is in general equation form. So, what we shall do? You shall compare with the general equation. The first equation we will compare with A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0. So, in first equation A1 is what? X coefficient is what? 1, A1 equals to 1. Then B1 equals to what? Minus 3 and C1 equals to minus 7. Okay. Now, let us this is okay. Then second equation also A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. Now, we shall compare this equation with your second equation. So, here A2 is what? A2 equals to 3, B2 equals to minus 3 and C2 equals to minus 15. Now we shall do what? Put the formula. We shall put the formula what? X. Now x, then y and 1. In x you can upon x, y upon and 1 upon. So in between them put the equal, then x upon, in denominator what you have to write? B and C, and you will write then minus B C. How? I already told you, A B C. Now we shall start from B to C. So B C we have written, then next you will go for C A, then you will go like this, C A. Here you will write C A minus C A, giving little bit gaps. Then after that A B, you go for A B. So you write A little gap B, then minus A little gap B. So in this gap what we have to fill up? 1 2, then 2 1, here 1 2, here 2 1. Easy way to remember, that's why I am writing A 1 2, here 2 1. Okay. E cap C A B, B cap, here B1 B2, you B1 here, B2 here, C1 here, C2 here, A1 here, A2 here, B1 here, B2 here. What is our B1? B1 is minus 3 and B2 also minus 3. Okay, I think so. Let's see. B1 is minus 3, B2 also minus 3. Yes, B1 is minus 3, B2. So this is C is minus 7 minus 15. Then A is what? A is 1 and 3. Again B is minus 3 and minus 3. Now cross multiply. Okay, from top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, and each cross you write here x, and in front of this cross you write y, in front of this you write 1. Okay, now again do what? X, then y and 1, in upon, equal, then multiply, minus into minus is plus, 45 minus, so this one will become minus into minus is plus, that is 21. Okay, over, then y, from top to bottom, plus into minus is minus 21, again going back, minus 15, minus into plus is minus 15, then 1, then minus 3 and minus, then plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9, then x upon 45 minus 21, that equals to y upon minus 21 plus 15, that equals to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9, that equals to x upon 24. Okay, x equals to 24 equals to y upon minus 6, that equals to 1 upon 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, right. Now we shall what? We shall take the x and y value. Okay, so now x upon 24 is equals to y upon minus 6, that equals to 1 upon 6. By taking these two we can take the value of x. X upon 24 is equals to 1 upon 6. Now this is 1, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are, x upon 4 is equals to 1 upon 1. Cross multiply करें. Now let's do the cross multiply. X equals to 4. This is our answer. Now let's take y value. Y, now y. So these two. Now these two. this one and this one. So y upon minus 6 equals to 1 upon 6. 6 ones are 6 ones. Y upon minus 1 equals to 1 upon 1. Again cross multiply, y ones are y equals to minus into plus is minus, 1 ones are 1. So y equals to minus 1. Got it? So now what is the value of x and y? X equals to 4, y equals to minus 1. Got it? So now what we shall write? The solution of the equation is what? X equals to 4, y equals to minus 1. This is the answer. Got it? Okay. I hope you have understood. So thank you very much by watching my video. If you like, please press the like button. Thank you.